Right now, 5 people are recovering after they were pulled from this flooded homeless camp on the southwest side of Indianapolis.
Yeah, crews went into the water near Kentucky Avenue and Raymond Street, which is along Eagle Creek. We've got Logan Gay joining us live tonight at 6 from the scene. Logan?
Hey Scott, that homeless encampment was right here on White River. A very scary situation for everyone. Check out this video we took during the rescue. You can see how the floodwaters completely engulfed their homes. We're told 5 people were rescued, 2 women, 3 men, 2 dogs, and 4 chickens. The great news is that no one was injured, no one was taken to the hospital, but again, 5 people were rescued. If you come out to me live, I want to give you a look at what the river looks like now. You can see how high, how fast, and how strong that water is. Experts say if you see water like this, whether you're driving or walking, just to avoid it altogether because, again, it can be deadly. Again, Scott, back to you.
Yeah, it's good advice. We're glad no one was injured there where your location is. Thanks so much, Logan.